Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I've got a special guest here today. His name is Poopa. Okay? Poopa. Say hi to him, Poopa.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi,
My
see?
name is Poopa.
Yeah. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
8 years old.
And
Where do you go to school at?
I study at Mumford College, my primary section.
Ah, oh, okay. What's he do for a living?
I live in Doisket.
You live in Doiseket. What does your dad do to make money?
Restaurant.
He's got a restaurant, and what else?
And
Construction company. Can you say construction?
yes.
He builds things, right?
Yes.
And how do we know you?
Yes.
He's building something for us, right?
Yes.
Yes, all right.
They're thinking.
Yeah. What have we been
of
doing
something.
today? Yeah, we were messing with the Titanic, and we built a little lake. Okay,
Yes.
take it over there. Show him. You got to turn it around. You got to turn it around.
Yes, Daddy, the Titanic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
You see it there. Daddy, the.
Oh, don't put the water on there.
Yeah. Yes, Daddy, the float.
Yeah.
And the
Shine the GoPro.
make a Lego plastic.
Made out of Lego. Plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Plastic. Yeah. The float.
And then it sinks.
Things. Thing.
Uh-huh. Okay, I got you.
Daddy, the float and.
Uh-huh. And that's how it sank.
That's how it sank.
Yeah?
ว่าหนึ่งเอาน้ำออก
Titanic is beautiful.
Yeah, this is correct.
Yep.
You feel subscribe.
Yes, tell everybody. Tell everybody.
Tell everybody.
Say bye-bye for now.
Bye for now.
And we'll make another video again.
Video again
And if you like,
you subscribe, like and share.
Yeah, that's right.